Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're just going to polish this aluminum tray with the Cape Cod metal polishing cloths to reveal a mirror shine. So what we're going to do is take one of these polishing cloths and rub it in to this aluminum tray until it's as dark as possible. Then we're going to grab a Scott Blue shop towel to wipe away this polish to reveal a mirror shine. Cape Cod metal polishing cloths use a pre-treated moist cotton cloth design that delivers a consistent controlled polish without leaving excess residue. The formula helps remove oxidation while leaving behind a light anti-tarnish protective layer, restoring aluminum to a bright, reflective finish, while also having a pleasant vanilla scent. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box, and have a wonderful day.